Hi guys, Addicted to Fishing here, and well, right now we are just doing a little fishing right now, and well, Braden got himself hooked in a tree. Yeah, we're hopefully gonna catch some sunfish today, and hopefully a big carp. Yeah, Braden lost a huge common, we think, right there. Right where the rod's pointing, so yeah. And we are using an ice fishing rod. Dude, you're gonna fall in the water. Okay. You've not been trained professionally. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the rod here, because I may have a fish. We don't have carp bells, so it's a little hard to figure it out. But from the looks of it, no fish. Yeah, no fish. And we're using a hair rig today, so, well, I am. And this is the body of water we're fishing in. It's not focusing. Yeah, see? Okay. Dude, you're not getting that back. See, guys, see you in a bit. We're back, and unfortunately we had to cut the line, so we're gonna have to re-rig. It's gonna be a little annoying, but yeah. So, let me just show you what we have on my rod right now. Okay. Or I could have a fish. Nope. No fish. But I'm using a hair rig today. A big bell weight right here. Big bell weight.
I'm just using a jig.
And I'm using a hair rig to try to catch carp. Never used a hair rig before, so new experience for me. So yeah, see what Braden's doing. So yeah, we haven't caught a single thing right now. We are hoping, like, the main goal to catch in this pond is like carp and sucker minnows. So yeah,
Crappie.
And big crappie. My friend just caught a pretty good 14-inch crappie in here just a little bit ago. So, do you have something?
No, I'm
Okay.
Is anything in the shallow?
Okay. We're gonna see if there's anything in the shallow. Hi guys, just minor update, no fish. We had a turtle, we think, taking Braden's line. We just saw a big sucker minnow or a carp jump right down over there. We've only caught like 5 carp in this, sucker minnows in this pond. So hopefully we can get another one, because they're stupid rare to catch. And yeah, we should be doing some stuff now. We'll see you guys once we start getting bites.
So what's that? What's that right there?
Okay, just one thing. We found a cool water bug. At least we think it's a water bug.
Right there on the lee. That'd be a giant tick.
No, that's not a giant tick, Braden. That's a water bug.
That's a cool water bug.
Don't touch it.
Trying to get on the lee.
Yeah. Okay, just minor update. Okay. Yeah. Oh! Is there a fish? that a fish? Oh, I thought I saw the line go. Okay. Bye. A little late on the camera. Well, video. So, yep. Bullhead. Another one. So, yeah. Sorry about the bad formatting in this video. Just warning you guys, it's a little bad. We're recording a little bit bad. So, well, I was. So, hopefully we can get a fish on the carp rod. So, 20-pound monofilament on a really nice reel on a good sized ugly stick.
Got one.
Got one.
Smaller one.
That's a small fish. Oh yeah, that's a small one.
The tiny guys are biting today.
Another twig. That's a small black bullhead, right?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, that's a black bullhead. Oh, whoops. Sorry for my fingers on the camera.
small carp just jumped over there.
Oh yeah. I might throw over there. Oh, he might actually go towards my bait, so we got a big carp just jump over there. Yeah, right there. So okay. Catch you guys up when we actually get another fish. Bye.